Alright, in a single replacement reaction, this is when you have an element in a compound and they react so that the element replaces a part of the compound to form the products. So the general form of this is A plus compound BC will yield the compound AC plus B. So some clues to look for when we are trying to identify this type of reaction. The reactants and products are both one element and one compound. And then in these types of reactions, if the element is a metal, it'll replace the metal part of the compound. And if the element is a nonmetal, it'll replace the nonmetal component of the compound. So in this case, some students get a little confused. Well, like we're getting two new products, so why wouldn't it be double replacement? But what happens is only one element is being replaced. So in this case, A is kicking out B to pair with C. An example that we have seen of this is the reaction between magnesium ribbon and hydrochloric acid. So when we react these two, magnesium kicks out the hydrogen part of hydrochloric acid, which will produce hydrogen gas and form magnesium chloride. And again, this is a balanced equation at the end, and all compounds are properly written out with the correct charges. That's a single replacement reaction. Also, just as a side note, single replacement reactions are also known as single displacement reactions. So if you hear either name, they're referring to the same type.